This here is a really old ceiling fan from about 1981 or 1980, whenever this mobile home was built. And this is one of the old ceiling fans with a power cord going across the ceiling. It no longer works and it's getting replaced, so before it gets ripped down, I figured I'd make a video on it for all the vintage ceiling fan people out there. I don't know if there's any tags on top. Heck, I don't even know if it's even original to the place. I was just told that. I don't see anything on the top. All I know is that writing is really old for the light fixture. But yeah, if anyone knows what brand this might be, let me know. And here's the second ceiling fan that is also getting replaced because it does not work. Again, no stickers on it, no name tags, anything. It definitely looks old. Definitely looks like it's from the 80s. There's its replacement on the floor. So yeah, anyone has any idea what brand these might be, leave them in the comments. Bye for now.